Hello, my name is John Burklow. I'm an academic advisor here at the Ilitch School of Business at Wayne State University. And I just wanted to talk a little bit more for students who are thinking about attending Wayne State and the Ilitch School of Business. Sort of what sets us apart from other universities and other business programs. So, there are a couple different things that I feel really make a big impact for students. One is our programming. We offer 6 different academic majors. We have accounting, technology, information system and analytics, finance, marketing, management, and global supply chain. We also have several minor programs as well. So, for students who are interested in entrepreneurship and innovation or studying business law, we have opportunities for that as well. We also have several opportunities outside of the classroom, which we really put a big emphasis on that hands on experience that really goes a long way for a more well rounded student to then, go out in the world and be a more well rounded person. So, things like study abroad programs. We have trips that go to Italy or England, Spain, and France. Um, we have a lot of opportunities to help students find internships and co ops and research opportunities. We have a career services office that is dedicated to the business students at the Ilitch School of Business. They are a really great resource to help polish resumes, practice interviewing skills, and also helping students find these different opportunities because it can be very challenging at times. So, we have a full team of people who are here and dedicated to help students get connected with those opportunities. We also do a lot of professional development for students as well. So, whether it is bringing in a professional photographer to take headshots for students, or we also host an annual career fair that brings, I think this past year was over 1,000 people with different job opportunities for students. We really want to do everything we can to help students set goals for themselves, both educationally and professionally, and then meet those goals. Another big difference is our amazing faculty at the Mike Ilitch School of Business. Our faculty really, really stay engaged with our students and have a wealth of knowledge that I think is very beneficial to their growth as well. Our faculty have either worked in their field, are currently working in their field, or sometimes are conducting research as well. So they've got experience that they not only bring to the classroom, but there's a lot that comes out of it as well. So whether it's networking opportunities or writing letters of recommendations for an internship or a job, our faculty are very engaged and always willing to connect with students. Another thing that makes a difference for the Mike Ilitch School of Business is our location. We are right on Woodward, so we're right in between Midtown and downtown. And we've got all of these amazing businesses right in our backyard. So, whether you're interested in going into the automotive field or you're interested in sports and entertainment or anything in between, these businesses are familiar with our students. They're familiar with the caliber of students that the Mike Ilitch School of Business in Wayne State produces. And they're looking for our students when they are trying to fill internship or career roles. So, those connections that Wayne State has built with these different businesses and just with the community of Southeast Michigan in general, I think goes a long way to provide opportunities for our students. There's also plenty of opportunities to get involved. We have countless student organizations. We've got an annual elevator pitch competition, which helps students learn how to promote themselves. Um, and it's a lot that goes in behind the scenes to give our students the best experience at Wayne State that they possibly could. So, if you're interested in learning more about Wayne State University and the Mike Ilitch School of Business, I strongly encourage you to reach out. You can call us, you can send us an email, you can schedule an appointment, and myself or another advisor is always willing and happy to meet with an incoming student to help them learn more about why the Mike Ilitch School of Business might be the right fit for them. So hopefully we'll hear from you soon.